What's up, guys? You guys know how it goes. So today is a great day because, well, tomorrow's drift day. So it's a great day because tomorrow's drift day. So it's like secondhand awesomeness. So tomorrow we're gonna be drifting on the skid pad for the first time in like a really long time, which is the place that's kind of just like a big parking lot with cones. And it's gonna be fun because it's gonna be some really good tandem practice, and I'm really excited. I'm hoping I'll be able to get some tandems down with B because it seems like he's got his line down pretty good there. So I should be able to hop in and sneak up on him just a little bit. So stay tuned for that. But today, I'm hoping all I have to do to get the car ready is an oil change. I'm having some issues with my clutch. You guys know I had some issues prior. I'm having a really hard time getting in and out of first gear and reverse. We're gonna ignore it and pretend like everything's great and just drift on it tomorrow and hopefully nothing breaks. But in the meantime, we got a quick E30 update, which is pretty awesome. I fully stripped down the engine to basically just like a bare long block, cleaned it all up. Yes, it was filthy and I was filthy after it, but it looks good now. So now once all the parts come in, hopefully on Saturday, it'll be ready to get the engine fully back together and hopefully just into the car. So stay tuned. All right, let's check it out. So this is 2 drift events worth of oil, I guess. Looks pretty good. Smells pretty good. Now, you guys are probably laughing at me, but honestly, the smell of the oil will probably tell you more than the looks of it. So take a sniff, see what you think. As far as I can tell, the Jay-Z's pretty happy. So I'm pretty happy. No funnel, gang. So there's one thing I want to do before we drift tomorrow, and that is something a little ricey. We did a ricey mod yesterday. I guess we'll just keep the trend going. So the intake air temps on my car have been ridiculous, and it isn't from the intercooler being too small. It's actually from too much heat soak within the engine bay. I mean, the JZ, massive. And then of course I have this massive turbo with this massive turbo manifold, and there's just a lot of heat in here. And honestly, there's just nowhere for it to go. The 240 engine bay is so sealed up, there's really nowhere for the air to escape. It actually can only basically go into the training tunnel, which, you know, is not an efficient way for escaping air. So I've been taking my hood off at drift events, and I hate it. I think it's so corny. I think it looks stupid. I'm not into it. And so today we're just gonna try something a little bit different, and we're gonna try to do a little Civic mod, and that is, so we're gonna raise the back of the hood to allow air to actually come through and escape through the back, basically right above the rain tray. I am not a fan of the look, but it's less corny looking than taking your hood off at a drift event. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store, get some longer bolts, get some washers, and just see what happens. So here we go. All right, so I went to the hardware store and I got some longer bolts and some washers. So I've never done this before, so I have no idea like the reference of spacing that we might need. So I say start big. All right, so it's not too horrible. It's definitely tacky and not my taste, but I have a better solution for all of this when the 240 goes in for a complete overhaul. Stay tuned, stay excited. But now we basically have enough room in here that I can stick my whole hand in here before it was fully sealed to the rain tray. So now this whole back piece is basically just an air vent. So now all the air can come into the front and just get wished out the back, and hopefully get my engine bay temperatures way down, and that's the goal, you know? All right, guys, so we moved on to our little drift mods for the day. So she's ready to drift. Hopefully, I guess we'll find out. She's got a loader on the trailer and ready to go. I'm not too worried about it. But moving on to the second part of the video, which is probably like the title, is today we're actually getting 2 cars dropped off at the shop, both of which aren't mine. But we're gonna lend a hand and get them both on the road. And look at this guy right here. He's get out of a meeting or something?
Straight out of work, yeah. Yeah.
God damn.
This guy, he kind of blackbilled me. He said, like, give me a good tip and I won't tell AAA.
Oh boy, another 240.
We're in the neutral, I'll squish it right down.
So what did you bring me? This thing's like a shithole.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my god, kid. It looks like you've been living out of this
I've
thing.
been focused on the engine. I haven't been able to do anything on the inside yet. Or outside, really. Go ahead, let's pop the hood. Just show him the hood. Come on. Show him what I've been spending my time on.
I mean, this is the important part. Ooh. Nice work, kid.
You see? There you go.
It's a big upgrade.
Yep.
Built bottom ends, Bigger cams.
Billhead.
3071.
Yep.
Nice.
3071R.
Nice. And so we got to put this one on a Nismotronic, wire it all in, and hopefully it's ready for a tune. Hopefully Travis did everything right, because I don't want to work on it. We'll see. But here's one. Hi, Steffi.
Hi. Where are we going?
Here comes another one.
What is happening to all these cars?
I'll let the diesel tech do the backing up with the trailer.
Look at this thing.
This thing.
It looks good outside.
It looks great outside.
I've only seen it in your dirty ass shop.
Oh, you should probably
Oh, yeah.
look at it from.
Here, should probably help.
Looks like it's probably in
I
gear.
don't want you to scuff your shoes or anything.
Thanks.
Oh shit. I meant to help. Alright. You guys are doing great. God damn it, there's a Volkswagen in my shop.
It's alright. It belongs. Sort of.
What day is the show?
August 2nd.
August
2nd, 3rd, 4th.
August 2nd, I'm gonna try to make it. I got
Jesus.
is it July 30 or 31 days. I don't remember.
Game on, I guess.
Game on.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, here. Let me make it feel a little bit better.
Days?
8 days.
We're gonna write this weekend off, so we're gonna consider that 5. Everything's great.
Everything works great.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just beach this thing. At least that works. Cool. Now we can't push it.
But it looks good.
Anti-theft, right? That's what that's for.
Anti-theft system. Bags.
This is interesting. So, we got an ECU tidy up tune install right here, and we got a. God damn it! There's still a lot of bullshit with this car.
Sorry.
It's okay. We'll try our hardest. This is what friends are for.
Yay, friends.
At least you cleaned your interior. Look at this kid, dude. He's an animal.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure you can get to what you need to get to.
God damn. All right, ISR downpipe for sale. Like, someone's giving me like $80, you know.
Corn. You're good on this side.
Yeah, just hit the Evo, no problem.
Yeah, use the Evo as a pump stop. You're good.
It's a nighttime drift event, which means the drift event doesn't start till like 3 o'clock tomorrow. Goes to the night. So I'm gonna leave this loaded up for tonight.
And you're gonna get sleep.
Yeah, we'll see about that. And then it's all ready to go in the morning. So Tran's still not doing good, but we'll see what happens. Well, let's see if she survives the weekend. Also, we'll be competing for this 3rd series of the street. So I'll also be competing for the 3rd round of the Lock City Street Series this Sunday. Check it out. No, it's back to being competition.
What the fuck?
So they changed. So that is Sunday from noon to 5. If you guys want to go. Come cheer me on. That'd be sick. And I'm fourth overall in points right now, and I don't want to screw it up. And I don't think LZ is going, so I really need to gain some more points before he comes back.
Have fun on the sidelines too. 'Cause
So-
they're all just
Yeah,
freaked
try to
out.
come find me on the grill. Maybe I'll cook you a burger.
Yeah, you heard that. Find Josh and say, "Give me a goddamn burger." So hopefully my car holds up and I place, so I could get past LZ because he's 3rd overall in points, and I'm trying to. You guys know. So, yeah, we're now stuck with these cars. So, no matter what, we'll be working on these cars in here. Let me know if you guys want to see any of this content. I know you guys are probably over SRs and Motronics, but it'll still be fun. But the Corrado, I know a lot of guys were asking about the Corrado.
People were actually hitting me up asking me if I'm still coming to the show because they want to see the thing all the way up in Vermont. So it's coming. It's
Hopefully.
running, I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. So let me know what you guys want to see, because I'll happily film it. If there's anything you guys want to learn about it or learn to do on it, let me know, because I'm here for you guys. That's what we're here for. And regardless, I got to work on it, so could be a win-win. And hopefully I can bang it out before all the parts come in for the E30, because I'm just down to get this car together. still think this is badass. I could just put my car on the trailer in the garage. That is cool. I'm into it. But all right, guys. So today was a short nonsense video. Honestly, the day before a drift event, like a drift prep day, is always just not entertaining. But I figured you guys would still appreciate the video. So, but tomorrow's gonna be a blast, and hopefully get some good footage, and hopefully we see a few of you guys there. If you're around, grab a helmet, ask for a ride along, and maybe me or B will let you hop in. Why not? It's always fun. So with that, we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steffi,
Have a great night, everybody.